Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're unboxing and taking our first look at the AMBEO smart headset from Sennheiser. So a massive thank you to Sennheiser who have supplied these headphones for me. So these headphones give you the option to capture your world around you in 3D sound, which is going to be awesome. So say you were at a football ground and you recorded with these headphones, you'd get that atmosphere again of being in the football ground. It won't be coming through just one channel, it'll be coming through both. So I think it's a really great experience to have. In the bottom corner, we can see it's powered by Apogee. Then to the right hand side, you can see it's made for the iPod, the iPhone and the iPad, as it does have a lightning connection. So as you can see on each side of the headphone, you do get a microphone for 3D recording on each side. Looking on the side, we have some more information, some features here. High quality headset for immersive 3D recording. 3D recordings that you can listen to with any headphones, so it doesn't have to be these ones, but you can produce it with any headphones. You have transparent hearing feature that lets you hear what is going on around you. So again, talking about your atmosphere there. Situational awareness control allows switching between transparent hearing, active noise cancellation and off. So you have an option there. Apogees, proprietary soft limit and mic preamp plus precisely tuned A/D and D/A conversion. High quality headphones with signature Sennheiser sound, so we know they're going to sound great from Sennheiser. Apple MiFi certified lightning connection. Easy management of music and calls thanks to the built-in inline control system. So taking a look at the back, it says create an immersive 3D audio experience with your Apple iOS mobile device. So under there is a website link that you can go and check out. Also there is a QR code at the top right hand side. So underneath you see our inline control system. Unfolding the packaging here that's magnetically connected, here you get to see our headset, and it does look really stunning in this white and grey finish. Here in the UK they cost $259.99. The link will be in the description as well, and if you have any questions or queries, please do let me know. So let's get into the unboxing. Here is the AMBEO smart headset. So let's unfold this. So first of all, if I just turn this around, we do have a bit of information in the back here. So inside here you will have your warranty and your how to use guide in multiple different languages. So you have a little white carry-in pouch here with some drawstrings that you can put your headphones into that has the Sennheiser logo. Also you will find your different size in-ear adapters. So here close up are the AMBEO smart headsets from Sennheiser. Feel very high quality. Do love the color here, and you can see them 3D microphones on the side, and also turning around you can see your in-ear earpieces here as well to listen to music. You do have an L and an R on there as well to identify which is which, and I do like the style of these and I'm really looking forward to testing them out. If we come down, we'll then find our Apogee control system here. Then you've got your 3D recording, your volume up, your volume down, your play, your pause. Then finally you have your option for more sound or more convenience to you. You choose. Coming down further, you're going to find your lightning connection here into your Apple devices. So now let's connect this up to an Apple device. With the benefit of being a lightning cable, it can go in any way. It's reversible, which is nice and easy and always great to know. So with these plugged into my iPad now with the control system here, so we have our plus and our minus for lowering and highering our music. You've got your play, your stop, and then to answer calls, and then also to use for Siri as well, that we could press and hold this. Then on the other side is when I toggle this, it tells me if the transparent sound is on or if the noise cancellation is on. So you get to choose there. Then obviously here is where your 3D recording happens, and I'm going to be testing this out in a future video. So I'm going to record one of my videos with these, and then you can experience the 3D as well. And when I go to a football game, I'll also record it as well, so you get a more 3D experience instead of a mono sort of sound as well from just a standard smartphone recording. In the coming weeks I will release my full review of the AMBEO smart headset here from Sennheiser. I'm really looking forward to testing this out. In the meantime, in the description you will find a link to Sennheiser where you can go and purchase these in the UK, and also I'll put a US link in as well. And also there will be a link in the description so you can go and check out the 3D sound for yourself. If you do have any questions or queries in the meantime, drop a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks always for watching. A massive thank you to Sennheiser who did send these out as well. Please give them and the video a big like, as it does help. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, and then you can stay part of Tech Talk and get updated with all our latest videos. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.